Very delightful morning to one and all present here. I'm Aditya Kedari and I'm here to speak about deep learning. Before we dive into this vast topic of deep learning, let us understand what is artificial intelligence and what is machine learning. So artificial intelligence is something that making machine more intelligent and perform human-like functions. And the sub-branch of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which refers and works on statistical data, which works on the algorithmic way. So let's start with deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that employs neural network with multiple layers to analyze and learn from vast amount of data by mimicking the human brain's neural structure. Deep learning models can automatically detect patterns and make predictions, driving advancements in the fields such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. How deep learning is different from machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and deep learning are frequently associated but have distinct differences. AI is designed so that it behaves more or less like a human capable of solving problems like AI. ML is a subset of AI that uses statistical algorithms to train computer systems so that they can make independent predictions and decisions based on the historical data when exposed to new inputs. DL is the subset of machine learning and AI. Let us talk about the history of deep learning. In 1950s, the foundation of artificial neural networks was laid with the development of precipitation and backpropagation algorithms. In early 20s, the GPUs were introduced. In 2010s, major breakdown occurred such as AlexNet winning the ImageNet competition in 2012. Let's talk about the applications of deep learning. Deep learning model, particularly the uses convolutional neural networks, which is CNNs, excel in processing and analyzing visual data. The second is natural language processing. Third is autonomous vehicles, which is the example of self-driving cars. Let's talk about the advantages of deep learning, which is automatic feature learning, handling nonlinear relationship, handling structured and unstructured data both. Let's talk about the disadvantages: dependency on data quality, high computational cost, and unforeseen consequences. Talking about the future of deep learning, it is really very bright. A survey showed that while AI adaptation has been adding values to the organization, the use of deep learning in business is still at an early age. The deep learning continues to gain popularity, owning its highly accurate results, ability to make predictions on structured data sets, and provide useful insights about the dataset. It's likely that deep learning will continue to evolve and have a significant impact on our society in future. Thank you.